Still using factory 4x10 speakers? Here's the upgrade you've been waiting for. Let's unbox the Kicker 51 KSC4 1004 KS Series 4 BY 10-inch two-way coaxial speakers. Delivering 75 watts RMS and 150 watts peak power, these speakers are built to bring your music to life with powerful mid-bass, smooth vocals, and crisp, detailed highs. Featuring a polypropylene woofer, durable rubber surround, and silk dome tweeter, the KS Series delivers concert-quality sound without distortion. Best of all, their high-sensitivity design means you can enjoy louder, clearer audio even with your factory radio, no amplifier required. With a low-profile mounting depth and zero tweeter protrusion, these speakers fit easily into most modern vehicles for a hassle-free installation. Upgrade your drive with the Kicker 51 KSC 4100 4KS Series, available now at onlinecarstereo.com.